Welcome back to my channel. For today's video, magre-react na naman tayo ng another analog horror video. So, ang i-react ko is yung one of the video ni Battington. So, ang re-react ko yung My Two Front Teeth. So, this is a Harmony and Horror Christmas special. So, meron siyang warning dito na warning highly graphic. So, may mga disturbance ata ritong mga graphic na hindi ata magaganda. So, warning na siya. So, kung hindi kaya, huwag panood din. Kung kaya, go lang. So, yun ang gagawin natin. So, hindi ko na papatagalin to. Let's go to the video. Let's watch My Two Front Teeth. Let's go. Ito na guys, naka-ready na ang video. So, ito ay 14 minutes and 31 seconds. So, medyo mahaba-haba ito ng kaunti. Hindi katulad ng last time yung house footage, the Sonic tape. So, ito siya. So, ililink ko to sa description box para mapanood niyo yung reaction ko na ito. So, ito parang mga 2 minutes lang to. So, maikli lang to. So, ito, medyo mahaba ng kaunti kasi mga 14 minutes and 31 seconds. So, mag-ano tayo. Medyo mahaba-haba po panawin natin. So, yun lang guys. Let's play. My Two Front Teeth. So, wala siyang ipin na dalawa sa harap. What the heck? Yung moon. Talagang may kanin yung muka. December 21. Means may ilang araw pa para magpasko.
Golly, Henry. It sure is cold outside.
Yeah. I'm practically freezing my fingers off.
Well, maybe you should get bundled up like this cute little Christmas present.
My baby.
All right. Come along now, children. Dinner is ready.
Coming!
Oh, iba yung kanino yung sa salamin. Yung sa window.
I'll get it. I wonder who it could be.
No.
Well, Merry Christmas,
iba pala.
Sophie.
Diba?
Uncle Arthur, you're just in time for dinner.
Here you are, my darling. Paper and pencil to write your Christmas list.
But I don't know what I want for Christmas.
Well, you're always ask for a bigger mouth like me. That way you can eat more of your mother's famous cooking.
Wow. Dahil kung pinakita yung ipin eh.
I know what I want for
So, daddy niya to?
In the mailbox right away.
What the heck? You. Whoa. Oh my God. Ano yun? What just happened? Huh? Huh? Ano yun?
I think I ate too much. I'm all full.
You should head to bed then, my dear.
What just happened? Ang creepy ng sounds. Ang creepy ng sounds.
Help me. Find me.
What
Help
the heck?
find me. Help me. Find me.
Ayan, itong snow. Oh! Parang pag may nadadigtagan. Nagiging snowman sila pag namamatay. December 22. Ilang days na lang yun? 3 days. The heck?
Coming, Uncle Arthur. Oh,
What the
hi, Mama.
heck? What the fuck is that? Liin na ka tayo. Tas,
I'm gonna go see Uncle Arthur now.
ba't ganun yung tsura?
Morning, kids. Oh, before I forget, Sophia, your father wanted me to give you this gift. It's rather heavy, but he said not to open it until Christmas morning. All right now, kids. Since your father isn't feeling well, we're going to make him some cookies. Just make sure you keep them away from me. You know how much I love sweets. Cookies are done.
Ooh, I wanna see. Let me see.
Let's see how many cookies we have. 1,
Okay.
3,
What the heck?
4, 5, 6.
Huh? What happened to the last cookie?
What's wrong with that last one?
That one was imperfect.
What just happened?
I'm full. I think I ate too many cookies.
Just get some rest, dear.
Tulog na naman siya. What the heck? Visit! Visit! Ano ba pinapanood ka? Tatlo na. Ang ina. December 23.
I can't find Uncle Arthur anywhere. He's supposed to go sledding with us.
Maybe we should look for
Ah? Nakat? What is that? What is that? Okay, that 1, 2, 3, 5 dolls. Ano meron dyan? What the? Ooh. Magalaw yung nasa, nasa baba, nasa middle. I'm hearing baby ba yun? Oh, what the fuck? Narinig ko yung ng baby. Oh, creepy ng tingin. What the heck? Uy, ano yun? What the fuck is that? Ano yan? Ang tao, may gugulat. No, Henry.
Hello? Uncle Arthur?
Oh,
Dad?
shit.
Mama?
The fuck? Naganood ko. Hindi pa ako nagugulat. Apat na. My God. Battington, ano ba tong mo? Oh God. Bukas pintuan. Oh, shit. Oh God. Ba't kayo tsura? Ah! The fuck? Churo. Creepy. December 24 na. Oh my God, crying baby. Naiinis pa naman ako pag nakakarinig ako ng bata. Mas lalo hindi maganda yung
Ava, where are you?
Kawawa. Ayoko nung pag ganon.
Ava!
The heck is that?
Mama!
The heck?
Hurry! Mama! You're not my mama!
Oh, mas creepy. Oh, shit, what the... Siya ba yan? Yung bata na? What the fuck? Oh my God! What the heck? Anong ginawa nila? Oh, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So, ito na silang 5. December 25. So, Christmas na. Ay, wala nang tao. Patay na. What about the baby? The fuck? Poor baby. Reset. Tingnan mo yung tsura. The fuck? Oh, poor baby. Why? Why, oh why? The fuck? Naiinis ako sa dulo, patay yung baby. So, yun lang guys. So, yun yung ano ni Battington. So, medyo nga, napaka-disturbing. Kanina pa ako nagugulat. Nabisit ako sa dulo kasi nga namatay yung baby. Poor baby. Naiinis pa naman ako sa mga ganon. Yung akala mo parang yung sinasaktan. Naiinis pa naman ako sa mga ganon. So, yun lang guys. Sana nagustuhan nyo itong reaction video ko na to sa ano ni Battington. So, yun lang guys. Like and subscribe to my channel. Sa ano nyo, comment na lang down below kung meron kayong suggest na pwede kong i-react. So, yun lang. Bye!